Thanks for joining us tonight at 6 o'clock. I'm Stephanie Gorin.
And I'm Brian Collar. And a Burlington murder trial takes a turn after a judge rules the defendant incompetent to stand trial.
NBC5's Tom Garris was in court today and joins us live from Burlington. Tom, Vermont's Attorney General says this case is not over.
Yeah, Stephanie, Brian, I spoke to A.G. Donovan this afternoon. He says that he fully intends to bring this to a jury trial. This in the light of some court paperwork that was filed on New Year's Eve. In it, a judge agrees with a doctor who did a mental health evaluation of Gu Rung. That said, as of right now, he is unfit to defend himself against these charges.
Competency is a dynamic condition. It can change.
Attorney General T.J. Donovan says his office will continue to do its job prosecuting Aida Gu Rung. In the latest turn in this court battle, the man accused of killing his wife with a meat cleaver has been found incompetent to stand trial by a Burlington judge. The ruling came on New Year's Eve. The judge writes, quote, "The court finds that Mr. Gu Rung presents with manifestations of a major depressive disorder that raise a substantial concern as to his competency to stand trial." It comes some 2 weeks after the AG's office called an expert to prove that he's fit to defend himself. Her testimony questioned the findings of a court-appointed doctor, but the judge says that doctor was right when he said Gu Rung couldn't understand the charges he's facing. In short, the court finds that while Mr. Gu Rung barely has sufficient present ability to consult with his attorneys, he lacks either factual or rational understanding of the proceedings against him due to his mental illness, the judge writes.
From my perspective, we're in a worse spot.
Chittenden County State's Attorney Sarah George threw out the case last year, saying she could not fight an insanity defense. Thursday, she says she's not shocked by the judge's response.
There wasn't a lot of doubt in my mind that he would decompensate without appropriate mental health treatment.
Donovan maintains that he will continue to push for a jury trial and have Gu Rung evaluated again at a later date.
This was a horrific act of domestic violence where she was murdered in the streets of Burlington. I believe Vermonters, through a jury system, deserve to hear that evidence and make the final decision.
Now, A.G. Donovan says that he has a lot of respect for Chittenden County State's Attorney Sarah George, but that the real issues here are different. The difference between insanity and competency. He says competency ebbs and flows, and as you heard, he fully intends to bring this to trial. But as for right now, what immediately comes next? Within the next 2 weeks, the court will have a hearing to determine if Gu Rung should be hospitalized. Until then, he will be held in DOC custody behind bars. Tonight, we're live in Burlington. Tom Garris, NBC5 News.